What's up, sixth grade? So today we're going to review one of the most fundamental operations, and that is multiplication. More specifically, we're going to review how to multiply multi-digit numbers, such as a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. And we're going to do that in two different forms. We're going to use standard algorithm, and we're also going to show our work in an area model. First, standard algorithm. Alright, so our problem is a 3-digit by 2-digit number, and it is 453 multiplied by 78. Now, when you hear standard algorithm, you may think, Mr. Smith, what is that? But it's just the standard way that we multiply. You guys have all seen this. Now, if you notice, I made my second factor, my second number, split into two different colors, and that's to separate the place value when we go to multiply. So let's go ahead and we're going to begin by multiplying with the second factor's ones place, the 8th. So 8 times 3 is 24. Carry over the 20. 8 times 5 is, good, 40 plus 2 is 42. 8 times 4 plus 4 is, good, 36. Good, so we have our first partial product. And I'm going to cross out these on top so I don't get confused. Now I'm going to move over to the second place value, which is a 7, which represents 70. So I need to put my placeholder, put in a 0. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 5 is, good, 35 plus 2, 37. And 7 times 4 is, good, 28 plus 3 is 31. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our two partial products together. And in return, we will have our product or our final answer. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. Good. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. And 3 stays 3, and our answer is 35,334. Piece of cake, right? Awesome. Okay guys, now it's time to show our problem-solving skills in an area model. How we do this first is we're giving a 3x2 table, and this is because we're going to break apart each number by its place value. So we have 453. So 453. Then going down, I have 78. So 70 and 8. Then what you're going to do is every number that meets, you're going to multiply. So 470, 50, and 73, and 70. So, and the same for 8. 408, 50, and 8, 3, and 8. And that will all be multiplication problems. Why we do this is to break apart the place values so you know that when we're going to multiply 453 by 78, it's not truly 7 times 3 or 7 times 5, 7 times 4. It's actually 70 times 400, 70 times 50, 70 times 3. So it gives you a better visualization of what that numbers actually look like. So let's go ahead and solve it. Now, 400 times 70 is, good, just do 4 and 7 is 28, and then you have, how many zeros? Good, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pretty easy, right? All right, 50 times 70. Good, 3,500. 3 times 70. Good, that one's 210. All right, now, what's 4 times 8? Good, 32, just put those two zeros after. 3,200. All right, and then 50 times 8 is, good, 400. And 3 times 8 is 24. So now, what we're going to do from here is we're just going to add all of the 6 numbers. So, when you add them all together, let's go ahead and I'm just going to write it all out. Plus 3,500. I'm going to put a little X to make sure I know I did them all. Oh, we have an announcement from the office. We're back. All right, so I'm gonna erase that real quick. We have 28,000 plus 3,500 plus 3,200 plus 400. And make sure you're going in order like I am. I'm marking off when I've done each one. Plus 210 plus 24. Now, we're gonna save us some time, but when we go to add them, it will equal out the same answer as before, and that's 35,334. So that is how you solve it through an area model. Sweet! Right, guys, so today you are going to be making a multiplication review poster. So what you're gonna have to do is you're going to be given a list of 5 different problems. Each of them have a 3-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. You only have to choose one to put on your poster. However, you have to show both ways. You have to show multiplication algorithm, standard algorithm, and an area model. Here's an example of what it can look like. So here I have it digitally done. I did it on the computer. However, you can do it any way you want. You don't have to do it on the computer. I just like to use graphic design, so that's why I did it. However, you can do it on a whiteboard. You could do it on a blank piece of paper, or you could do it on a big poster. However you want to do it, just contact me if you have any questions, if you're unsure of if it's an okay way to do it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture on your phone or any type of device, and you're just going to send that into the Turnitin Dropbox on Google Classroom. So here are the 5 choices you can choose from. Now, I don't want you to get worried. You can choose more than one if you would like, okay? All right, here's your options. Please pause the video at this time to read the instructions and choose a problem. All right, guys, have fun on your assignment, and I'll see you mañana.